Many houseplants grow naturally in rainforest environments, which are also humid environments. Now, it's not like your plants are all going to die in normal household humidity levels, as long as it's not too low. But some plants are extra sensitive and need higher humidity. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best humidifier for plants in current market. So let's get started. Number 5. GENIANI Cool Mist Humidifiers. The lightweight, compact, slim design makes it the perfect choice for any environment. A great humidifier for bedroom, office, baby room, or car. Just turn it on and enjoy better, healthier air. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier comes with 2 mist modes: continuous and intermittent, able to change the environmental humidity in minutes. An intuitive 1-button control, without needless and complicated settings, and an auto shut-off feature for your safety and calmness. Great for sleeping, it also doubles as a night light. Soft on your eyes, this nifty little feature makes it the ideal humidifier to use at night or as a baby humidifier for nursery, offering a relaxed, quiet environment for a sound and healthy sleep. Number 4. hOmeLabs Cool Mist Ultrasonic Mini Humidifier. A beautiful addition to your bedroom, baby nursery, or home office, with a crisp white design, hidden LED display, and super cute wood tone accents. Measures 8.3 by 8.3 by 12.4 inches, with a coverage area of 215 square feet. Lasts up to 40 hours on low speed with a full water tank. Your plants will love it too. Our mini humidifier packs a lot of misting power. If placing on the floor, use the lowest humidity setting to avoid excess condensation. The medium or high humidity settings are best suited for elevated surfaces, like a nightstand or desktop. This ultra-quiet compact humidifier uses ultrasonic vibration technology to produce cool mist, which helps to relieve certain conditions caused by dry air. Features a low noise level of 34.4 dBA to help you and your kids sleep soundly. Includes 5 cotton pads for use in the aroma tray. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to fill the air with soothing fragrance. Number 3. LEVOIT Humidifiers for Mist for Baby and Plants. The LEVOIT Ultrasonic Cool Mist technology is an excellent option as a first humidifier. It's easy to fill design and can give up to 60 hours of moisture before needing a refill. It has auto shut-off mist settings and will turn the device off if it runs out of water or when its water tank becomes too hot. This means you'll save money on your electric bill in the long run. It covers rooms up to 505 square feet and lasts for 60 straight hours. It also includes super whisper quiet operation, produce less than 30 dB of noise. Last, it regulates the humidity levels with no extra effort from you. All you have to do is set it and forget it. It works with Alexa and Google Home, so you can turn it on and off using your voice command. Number 2. Vicks Filter-Free Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. This cool mist humidifier won't need replacement filters, and its 1.2-gallon tank can give up to 30 hours of soothing mist. Vicks Cool Mist Humidifier is quiet, making it great for your bedroom or baby's nursery. Humidifiers diffuse moisture into the air, and many women and men find that a humidifier for the bedroom becomes an essential part of a good night's sleep when the air is dry in allergy season or when sick. When you or your kid has a cold, it can be difficult to sleep through the night. Humidifiers, vaporizers, and steam inhalers provide temporary relief from coughing and congestion, so your rest won't be as disturbed by coughing fits. Number 1. Air Innovations MH701BA Ultrasonic Quiet. Air Innovations Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier features a bottom fill tank that provides clean moisture for the air in your living room, bedroom, or nursery. It has large, 1.70-gallon capacity humidifier, runs for up to 96 hours. Programmable humidifier features a timer and 5 mist settings: low, medium, high, supreme, and turbo. Includes a permanent ceramic filter, automatic shut-off, and aromatherapy feature, 16-inch extension nozzle, dual directional mist nozzle included, and remote control. That was our list of the top 5 best humidifier for plants just for you.